Hey, what's going on, guys? Mr. Moff here. Hope you're all doing well. Welcome to the channel. I just got a quick short little video in case anyone is wondering about how to set up NIGHTBOT. This is going to be just super basic and like most basic tutorial. We're just going to cut straight to the point. So first thing you want to do is smash like on the video. Second thing you want to do is open up your browser of choice, and you're going to want NIGHTBOT open. You're going to want Twitch, and you don't need that one. Just NIGHTBOT and Twitch. That's all we need so far. So when you log into your NIGHTBOT or set up an account, make sure you're logged into the correct one. And then on Twitch, also make sure you're logged in to the correct one. So basically, it's like, if you go to commands and you go to default, some of these might be turned, they might all be turned on or turned off. And this is up to, honestly, you and how many viewers and how many engagements you have. So these are mine. Feel free to copy them if you want. Commands, so someone in chat just types exclamation marks commands, they can see everything. Like, it'll say like write this to see the game, write this, and it'll also show you, like, it'll show all the custom ones as well, but we're going to focus on this for a second. So if you go to commands, you can enable, disable. If you go to docs, it just shows you basically how it works. So, you know, nothing crazy. Commercial, I don't need this because I have a stream deck and I just hit a button if I need to run a commercial, but Twitch has been running commercials like crazy, so check me out on Kick as well. I'm live over there at the same time when I go live on Twitch, so definitely check that out. And I'm almost affiliate, so it'd be really helpful if you followed and gave some watch time over there. That'd be awesome. Much appreciated. But anyways, filters allow moderators to, yep, definitely you're gonna want this one on, at least this one on. This one doesn't have to be on the game. I mean, obviously on Twitch it shows what game you're playing, unless you're in just chatting. Actually, even then, I think it'll just still say like just chatting. So that one, whatever, you can have it on, you can have it off. Marker, this is kind of nice. This is like if you have someone like a moderator, you do something cool and you want to like go back to it, you can just have marker. You can have this on or off, it's up to you. I have a stream deck and I have clipped that, and I also have rewatched that clip, so I don't really need marker. I also have marker enabled on stream deck, so not a big deal. No, I keep this one off because I have my moderators through Twitch, and regulars, I'll show you, we'll get to in a second, are just like, I forgot what rights they get or something, but it's like, I think it just shows that they're a regular like watcher, viewer. Songs, we're gonna go over this in a little bit. If you're like say drumming, playing guitar or something like that, and people want to request songs, this one definitely needs to be activated, and I highly suggest reading the doc. And then options will user level, everyone can do it, they don't have to be moderator, etc. Cooldown 5 seconds, that's all fine, but we will get into the weeds of this one in a second. Tags, edit your stream tags to improve discoverability. I have this one set to moderator, so only moderators. So if I'm like playing a game and I'm like, oh, hey, one of my moderators, can you change the tag, or can you change the title? They can do that. They can also change the game too as moderators. Title, and then winner. This is kind of one I've never had to use. but it's here. It literally just chooses a random user in chat as a winner. So in case, so you don't have to do like, I don't know, a random number generator or something like that. It's just super simple. So next up, so I know we're gonna go back to the songs because that's an important one. I know for a lot of people that one's a little like confusing. Um, Here is a list of all my custom ones. You guys are more than welcome to feel free to use them. I will copy and paste everything in the description down below. So if you want, you can just straight up copy and paste if you want. Probably wouldn't. Hold up. Oop, that needs a space. Probably wouldn't do the donate one because you should probably set up your own donation one. Same with all these other ones, like my Discord link and stuff. So just have your, just swap your own stuff. But for the most part, these are the commands that you want to look for. Not everyone uses these, but like lurk is super important. That is like when like someone is like hopping off the computer, but still like wants to like, give you watch time. So if they type in if they do the lurk and have the volume up 1, can't be muted because it doesn't count. Twitch like doesn't count it if it's muted. So it needs to be like up volume like 1, like the lowest possible. And that will I even put volume can't be muted, so please leave at +1. That way it's extra watch time. Modcheck, mouse, PayPal. There's a few of these that I need to edit, but you get the whole point of these. Let's change this one to the Fisher Sam, which you guys should definitely check out. He's an insane drummer. We got to get him to affiliate ASAP. He takes song reviews, and that's basically who this video is for. But I felt, might as well make it for everyone if I can. Specs, just gaming PC specs, 2 computers. Links, TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube. So let's see, if I wanted to add one, let's add one real quick. Let's do add command. We'll do cake message. Let's do please follow on cake almost to affiliate. Okay, and then simple as that, submit, done. Oops, nope, not done. Forgot the link. So then let's just go down here. Let's go to cake. Go to channel. Copy. And paste. So now, please follow on Kick, almost to affiliate with the link. Perfect. So let's go through here. So again, I'll list these down below, but feel free to copy or just pause this video if you want to check them out. There's that one. There's that one. Giveaways. Haven't ever had to use this. Haven't had enough people in chat at once to do a giveaway, but it's basically you can do random number generator, etc., etc. It's kind of like that winner, exclamation winner one. Logs, this just shows like who did what at what time. This is me trying to figure out the song request one. I think I got a little bit of a handle on it, not sure. Regulars, these are the three people that mostly come to my like the three main people that watch me. So I just made them as regulars. I don't know again exactly what it does. I, I don't know, but it's all good. So song requests we'll get into in a second. Spam protection, you're definitely gonna want to go through here. Um, these are all up to you. Um, links I disable. It's like if you're gonna do the request songs, then you're gonna want to disable the link one. Um, excessive caps, but yeah. So this one, I'm not gonna open, but when you do enable it, make sure you go to your options and put in all the necessary words that you want taken out. So that's it for spam protection. Timers are important. So this is subscribe, this is follow, and this is blurb, which is TTS. Um, and you're gonna want to enable these intervals. So every 20 minutes, after it sees 5 lines of text, then it will put this one out, and this one you can just literally chat lines. You can do like 2. So if the two chatters pop up, then this thing will uh throw itself in there. But I don't want it to like spam too much, so I do interval 20 minutes if there hasn't been if chat's moving really slow. Um, and basically it just says reminder to subscribe with Twitch Prime. It's free to you and really helps me. Plus no ads. So that's that one. Follow reminder. You guys are all welcome to pause and do the same thing for these. Um, blurb. So in order to add this one, I had to just go to here, add, type in like whatever extension you want to use, and then basically the message is right there. So this is for kick users. The reason I put this one in was for people like that wanted to use blurb but on Twitch, because I'm not a big fan of Botrix at all. Botrix is a very cumbersome moderator. It's basically like a Nightbot, but I don't know. You don't want like 3 different program moderators doing different things. Plus, I have Streamlabs bot going already. Integrations. I don't need this. I haven't. I have my own Discord mod, so don't need that. Which you guys should check out the Discord. There'll be linked in the description. So anyway, so let's say you want song requests, okay? So we're gonna go playlist or auto DJ. Let's go back to your Twitch. Go to your channel. And let's open up your chat. Your chat's right here. Expand. There we go. Okay. And all right. So I believe from what I read, so if you're going to be using this one, I think you're going to want to keep this window open and tab somewhere. Like I don't know, like top left or something. Just because I don't know, like you can change your volume here. I don't know if you have an interface to change your volume, etc. But so here's a song that's queued up, and I believe, oh, so here you're gonna want to go to settings, um, select the provider you want. I think by default it's Monster Cat, but I switched to channel and I did search provider YouTube. And then limits, queue length, 10 songs, stored max at a, I don't know, whatever. Moderator can obviously add whatever, can do anything. User limit, 2 songs. So someone joins, they can't just add all 10 songs. Limit them to either 2 or 1, maybe. Might be a good idea. And then YouTube, I left these I think this one will be checked by default, so definitely uncheck this one. This will only allow people to request YouTube videos with more likes and dislikes. Yeah, don't want that one. So that is saved. Okay, so if you're like a musician and you do this for a living or something, I would definitely have something like on text on screen at all times that shows like this exclamation songs list, because if they type that into your chat, the songs list for this channel is available at, and then you go over here and then they'll see this and I'll say who it's requested by, and you go to request a song and punch in your song, submit it, boom, done. Song was added to queue. Cool. And then I believe pretty much that is that. I want to say listen to it. I don't remember, but I don't know. You guys will figure that out. I'm showing you just how to get to this point. So there's that. The playlist, haven't really been able to figure out how to put things into the playlist, but I feel like the queue is good enough. So yeah, so basically like I said, I would have song list, like maybe something that says like request song, type in chat, and then exclamation song list. If the person that typed that can't find the add song button, well, that's on them. So, but anyway, so that's that. You can read up. This is on the Night Docs. Highly recommend getting brushed up on that. Again, that was songs, and you go docs, and that's here. All of that. Yeah, I think that's about it. And you know, just have fun streaming. Follow me on Twitch, Kick, YouTube, all the social medias. Everything is at Mr. Mob. Contact mrmobyt@gmail for any business inquiries and all that good stuff. And I'm live every day. I finally got my internet fixed back up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it. Dislike if you disliked it. Comment down below if you have any other suggestions or helpful tips for someone who is new to NIGHTBOT. Much appreciated. This is Mr. Mob, and I'm signing out. Peace out. Love y'all.
Talking to me like I'm not a human, like I never felt the way you feeling. I guess if I gotta play the villain, I'ma sign a deal and make a killing. Guess I gotta be the bad guy. Bitch, you ain't Denzel, you ain't got that light. I be on this side, you be on that side. Don't cross that line, don't cross that line.